Hi everyone. My name is Janet Mulroy and I am an MDiv student here at ILIF. I just finished my first year and this is my first ethics course, so I find the subject matter very intriguing. I'm not sure what exactly to expect. To be perfectly honest, I probably didn't even think a year ago about that there was such a thing of an ethics of war. But now I'm starting to kind of understand what that might look like. Something personal about myself. I think the first remembrance that I have of war or an armed conflict was related to Vietnam. I'm in my mid-50s, and so I was a child when that was going on, and I remember watching news coverage every night. They gave a casualty count, and so I think at some point I decided that it was my responsibility to report how many men had died in Vietnam every day after watching the news. I also remember that my mother stopped allowing me to watch the news at some point because of that. Also, I had a great uncle who was a prisoner of war in World War II. He was held by the Japanese, and the movie The Bridge Over the River Kwai, he was one of the prisoners that movie was made about. He was one of those prisoners. So he had a pretty horrific war experience. And so as a kid, I remember the stories that he told, and also just some of the first televised coverage of war in Vietnam. So I am looking forward to the class, getting to know everyone, seeing some familiar faces. So I will see you on Canvas. Have a great afternoon.